So dear students, welcome back to the class again. And we are now taking the recap of what we learned last time. We had an introduction of determiners. After that, characteristics, in the sense how do the determiners they work in the sentence. Okay, that are called the classification. Sorry, characteristics and classification. It means we had seen the types of determiners. Okay, we had seen there the types of determiners. We had their demonstrative adjectives like articles, quantifiers, okay, possessives. Lots of things are there that we had discussed about.
Sir,
After that,
actually, I was absent when you discussed this. So can you pause the recording?
you were absent. Yes,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
post. I'll post that. Okay, don't worry about it.
Sir,
Yes, sir. I will go through it.
and then even post grade and so SST sessions requesting of since 2 weeks actually.
I will do that, huh?
Yes, sir, please do it as soon as possible.
And students, one more thing. You people, you guys are getting any difficulty, you're facing any problem regarding English or social science. Okay. At any time, you are free to message me, or you are free to drop a question there in support and feedback group. Okay, but you are requested to mention your name as well as the name of the teacher. It means my name there. If you want the answer from me, so please write there my name and you ask your question, post your question. Okay, don't get any kind of hesitation if I would post the, if even if you are posting your message in night, so I would see in the morning, and then there only I would give you the answer itself. Okay.
Sir, you're not teaching social science for 8th, right?
No, I'm not teaching in 8th.
Yes.
But in my school where I teach here in my locality, I take that SST there also in 8th standard. So articles, first we had seen the articles. After that articles, I had that day explained very well, I think, okay, with the examples even, okay. And now these are some rules that where should we use the articles. Some were left, 12 were done. There are in total 17. Okay, this PDF would be shared with you all, so you may go through these. Okay, understood? We will not take these points right now. Okay, we will go for another one. Did you get it? Omission of article the. What does mean by omission? Removal, or you may say not used. Okay, is not used. And what place should we not use that the article the, that we are going to study now. It is not used before the material, abstract and proper nouns used in the general sense. Everyone please turn on your videos. Everyone. Everyone is requested to turn on the video. Am I visible there? Huh? Am I visible
Yes,
there?
sir.
Yes,
sir.
Huh? Okay, right. So actually I'm sitting in another place today. Okay. So omission is something where we do not use the before material noun. What is material noun? Material noun is something where it is not counted. Understood? One thing you keep in mind. Abstract noun, which is not visible. Proper noun like Delhi or your own name. That is also a proper noun where you cannot use the, like the Delhi. Okay, it is wrong. What is it? It is wrong there. Honesty is the best policy. What is not? What is here? The abstract noun is here. Like the honesty is the best policy. It would be wrong. Why do we not use the? before abstract noun. Santosh, great day. Other
Sir,
people, why did you not turn on your video? Only Aisha, Nityashri, I, and Santosh. Only 4 are there. Deepshika, Palak, Harini. You are too quiet nowadays. Why?
Not. I'm speaking.
Palak, in which grade are you there? Palak? Okay. Now see, because honesty is not the thing which all people are having same. It is changed, and that is why it is not definite. And in before such noun, that is abstract noun, no? So before such noun, we cannot use the. See, everything that we study in science, that we study in maths. In maths, we are having formulas, so we do not have any need to see here and there. We have to go like a horse, because horse is having the cloth like this, and the horse does not see here and there, like, right? He just sees the way. The same thing we do in maths. We do not see anything. We see only the formulas, right? And we put the values and we get the answer. But still we get the difficulties there in maths. Okay, this is another matter, because and the science, we have reason, we have logic behind. In the same way, English is also the subject where the logic is there. See, many means one word is having several synonyms. Why are they like? Because every word in the same way has different usage, right? Like look, see, watch. These words actually are giving the same meaning, but they are having different usage, isn't it? Are you getting? Did I share this in the group? I have that thing also prepared. I'll be sharing today in the group. Just go through that. What is the difference between look, see, and watch? Okay, you will get it a lot. So before these things, we do not use the sugar tastes sweet. We do not use the sugar. Okay. But in a particular way, if you are using sugar, the sugar factory it will be. Okay. It will be like if you are mentioning the sugar factory, so the sugar factory will be there. Because we are not referring sugar, we are referring what? Factory. Are you getting? Okay. Paris is the capital of France, not the Paris. Paris is a proper noun. Before plural countable, we do not use, like children, people. Okay. Before names of people like Rohit. Before names of continents, countries, cities, we do not use the. But if those that continent or that country is having several things, several places together, like USA. So we say the USA because it is a combination of several nations. United Nations of America, we say, right? USA, United States of America, like, understood? Those are the states which are combinedly called USA, and that is why it carries the. Before names of individual mountains or peaks, we do not use the. Again, before names of meals used in general sense, like lunch is ready, not the lunch is ready. But if you are saying like I have taken the lunch at party or at the party, okay, this is the correct sentence, because this is the particular lunch that you have taken at the particular party. Understood? But simply you are saying that I have taken lunch or I have taken my lunch. Okay, My lunch is not a wrong thing, okay? Because we generally say I have taken my breakfast, I have taken the lunch, or I have finished up with the lunch, okay? Such kind of things we do. Okay. Before languages and words like school, college, university, church, hospital, until they are definite, we do not use the. Like I learn English at school, my friend is still in hospital, okay? But suppose they are used in a particular sense, that time you can use the. Before names of relations like father, mother and all, father is at home, the father is at home, that would be definite, okay? Because father is the general term which is used throughout or across the world, isn't it? In America they do not say like another thing, means another word for father, and in India we do not use like other thing. Yeah. In vernacular languages there are a lot of things to say or to call our father, right? Like in your language there would be something, in Marathi there would be something, in Hindi there would be something, Pitashri, Pitaji in Hindi, Marathi Babuji, Aba, like, okay, these are the words that we use for father, but father is the whole community, okay, one community. In certain phrases containing like sorry, consisting of preposition followed by its object, at home, in hand, by night, in case, on foot. Before this, if they are followed by prepositions, so we do not use the after preposition. Understood? Until, again I'm repeating, until they are definite, okay? Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Now let us take a look at another determiner, and that is demonstrative. See, there are only 4 demonstrative determiners. What do? They actually determine the place of the things or someone or something. Its place they determine. Are you getting the point? Okay. See,
Yes,
here.
sir.
Like that
Yes.
is used in case of plural, those it is. Okay. See, if you are using that, so that is used to avoid the repetition of the preceding noun or nouns. Like my writing is better than that of my friend. So what does it referring? It is referring to writing. It is not used repeatedly. Understood? It is not used there. Means suppose I would have to say using the same noun, my writing is better than the writing of my friend. I would have to say the sentence like this, isn't it? But this is not the way, like you are using the modern English, and in that English we replace the things or replace the noun with that. Okay, that is referring to the same noun which is already verb which is already used there. Our soldiers are better equipped than those of Pakistan. So then those of, in the sense, with whom? With whom are we compared there? With army. Okay, with the soldiers of Pakistan. Got it?
Yes, sir.
It refers to person or a thing far from the speaker. Far from the speaker in the sense that person may be living somewhat at the place where it is far from the speaker. Okay, for example, get that dog out of here. That dog in the sense it might be here, and that dog, and the person would be here, and he is asking to get that dog. Means it is not nearer to the speaker, but it is far from the speaker there. Did you get it? Those houses are for sale. Now see, the first determiner that is used for a singular number. Which number? Singular number. Those is used for
Singular numbers.
plural. Okay, this determiner is used for plural number, and that too far from the speaker. Like suppose I say those bikes are of my friends. Those bikes are of my friends, in the sense the bikes may be staying away, means far from the speaker, but they are given in which number? They are given in plural number. Okay, I don't think that most of the time we should spend here. You people are well, means know it well. Okay, this is something where it is referring to the singular number, but the number means that object is nearby us. Okay, for example, this computer or this laptop is belonging to me, or that belongs to me. Okay, or this belong to me, sorry, because it is near me. But if I would say that that bag is mine, so that means that is far away from, means it is far from me. Okay, and that is referring to the singular one. Okay, plural of this is these, means these flowers are very beautiful. If I'm staying, or as just staying nearby the flowers, so I would say that these flowers, these buckets, these books, okay, these friends, these people, means they are just nearby us. Got it? So in this way we use this. And one thing you might have noted here, these they are preceded, followed by the nouns. Are used over there. Understood?
Yes,
So this book is whole would be the subject. What would be that? So they make the subject aspect. This book, these flowers. Okay, these are the subjects. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Another means another demonstrative means another determiner is quantifiers. What are quantifiers? Actually, these quantifiers, they do not give you the exact number of things or number of people there. They are uncertain. Quantifiers are uncertain. How are they? They are uncertain. Some, many, a lot of, a few are examples of quantifiers. Quantifiers can be used in affirmative sentences. In which sentences? Affirmative sentences. Questions or requests or commands with the both countable and uncountable. They may be used in affirmative sentence, but with both countable and uncountable numbers you may use them. Okay, like there are some books on the table. For example, I would say I have not many friends. I have not many friends. I have only one friend. So in this way also you may use this quantifier. Many friends in the sense, I don't know the numbers of numbers of friends, right? I don't know. Even if suppose you are saying there are many people gathered there. So even if at this time you are not certain, you are not certain, you are uncertain. Did you get it? Okay.
So can you explain quantifiers again?
Yes.
Quantifiers.
Quantifiers what?
Sir, can you explain it again?
Why, you were there in the class only?
Yeah, sir, I didn't got this.
You are not getting. Quantifiers are the words that they do not give you the certain numbers. They do not give you the certain numbers. The numbers are uncertain. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And these quantifiers are used in affirmative sentences, like to make a question, request, or command. And another thing is they may be used with countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, suppose you say there is, there some milk is, there some milk is left in the glass. Okay, some milk is left. Now would you get any quantity there? But how much milk is left in the glass? We don't know, right? Means it is uncertain. The quantity is uncertain. The volume is uncertain. He has got only a few dollars. How much money have you got? There is a large quantity of fish in this river. He has got more friends than his sister. More friends. Now, how many friends are more than her sister? Than his sister? We do not get. Okay, we are not getting here. Did you get, Aisha? Now?
Yeah, sir, actually got.
Now listen, another thing. Some quantifiers can go only with countable nouns, like friends, people, cups. Some can go only with uncountable nouns. See, whatever the nouns, quantifiers we have seen here, they may be used with both singular and plural. But some are there which cannot be used with uncountable and which cannot be used with countable. Sugar, tea, milk, advice. While some can be used with both countable and uncountable, the chart is given here. Just take a note of it. What is this? Only with uncountable nouns like a little, a bit of, a great deal of, a large amount of. These are the quantifiers which can be used with uncountable noun. Like there is a little water, a little water in the lake. There is a little water in the lake. Did you get it? Now it is used with uncountable noun. Here, with both countable and uncountable nouns, what kind of quantifiers are used? No, none, not any, small, all, any, a lot of, lots of, plenty of. These are the quantifiers which can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Examples are given below. Only with countable nouns, a few, countable. A number of, countable. Several, countable. A great number of, countable. A large number of, countable. Let us take example. Usage of quantifiers are as follows, like use of few, a few, and little, a little. What is the difference between it? Few. It means it is more than little, but less than more. Did you get it? What did I say?
So like medium type.
It is more than little, but less than more. Got it? Few, a few, and the few. Few emphasizes the lack of something. See, it is not used with it is only used as few. So few is emphasizing the lack of something upon. There are few sweets left in the jar. It is not emphasizing there. Means it is something lacking over there. We should be careful not to eat them too quickly because they are almost finished. The explanation is given. Nityashri. Here. The explanation is given here. Why did we use this few? There are few sweets left in the jar. It means we should not finish up them very quickly because they are less in quantity now. Almost they are at the age of finishing. Understood? Age means this one. Okay, not this. Age is referring to what? Like how old are
Person's
you?
age, sir.
Age means actually हम बोलते हैं ना जैसे कगार पर होना. That is age.
What's that?
यानी ये खत्म होने के कगार में आ गया.
Kagar means what?
Kagar in this
Extent.
is extinct or just like it is to be kinara. Okay, this is my Hindi that you would not understand at all. Okay, so are you comfortable with Hindi as well now?
Yes, sir.
I am not.
You are not at all. Nitish, you are not at all.
Really less, sir.
Okay, so try to understand. Okay, what I say. If you are not getting it, so I will tell you. Age in the sense the Do you know the meaning of this? What is written this? Skirt. Skirt, it means also the age. Skirt means what? Suppose you are saying that the Dalit in the village, they are living on the skirt of the village. The Dalit from the, or Dalit
Corner or edge, like that.
means that the round. Suppose this is the village. The mainstream people are living here, but the Dalits are living here. So you would say that the Dalit from this village are living, means the Dalit are living at the skirt of the village. Did you get it? So see,
Yes.
one word can have different meanings with different senses. Did you get it? Understood?
Yes,
That
sir.
I told this in this regard. Huh? I
Yes.
told this in this regard. I was not about to tell this in intentionally. Okay, but I told this that you must know the difference of the usage of the words. Got it?
Yes, sir.
As this is English, and English is having more than enough sentences, more than enough or more than one, what we can say, the sense. Sorry. Okay, so it may have more than one meaning as well. The word can have more than one meaning. Got it? Got or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see. So the few means only few is referring that almost something is finished. A few emphasizes that something still remains. Means there are a few mangoes in the jar, in the basket. Okay, there are a few mangoes. See, one more thing you will understand here, you will note here. Whenever you use a few, after that, the plural number is used of the noun. Which number? Plural number. We still have a few minutes left before the class gets over. Definitely, there are a few minutes to left before the class is getting over. So you have any question? Okay, or if suppose you have some questions, so you may ask it. We still have some time, we should use it. A few, in the sense something is remaining there. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Deepshika, are you there in the class? Deepshika, are you there in the class? You should speak na. Why are you sending message? Palak is also there. This is Sharanya Baranwal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. K. Shreyan, Vishnu, Aisha, only Aisha is written. Who is
Yes.
this? Okay. Vilohit, Harini,
Yes, sir.
Pranav, Shiva or
Yes, sir.
Pranav? What is your name?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Shiva
Shiva
Pranav.
Pranam.
So I should use only one or what? Bhumika, are you there? Okay, Deepshika. Bhumika and Harini. Is there Bhumika? Bhumika. Is she there or not? One second.
Sir, in the meeting, she is there, sir.
Yes, I can see there. Might have got the message there. Okay then. See beta, this is very important to understand the difference between the usage of these, okay, quantifiers, because most of the times we are means in a difficulty that which quantifier should we use there. Little, a little, and the little. Little emphasizes the lack of something like few. A little emphasizes that something is still remaining there. Okay. Use of much and many. We use much with singular uncountable nouns and many with plural nouns. And those are also, I haven't got much change. I have got a 100 rupee note. I have got a 100 rupee note. I haven't got much change. Means I have got a 100 rupee note. Means I have a note, but I didn't I haven't any change or much change there. Are there many campsites near your place? Are there many campsites? Means more than means good number of campsites would be there, and that is why the question is being asked. Many campsites. Okay. We use much and many with interrogative sentences and negative sentences. For example, is there much employment in that area? How many eggs have not been used in this cake? Okay. After it, do you think many people will come? The rain was pouring down in torrents, but there wasn't much wind. Torrent, what is torrent? Actually, what is torrent?
What's this?
Huh?
It's like extremes.
Torrent actually is a name of place. It is written in small letter here. Okay. There was not wind, but there was much rain. Okay. It was like pouring. Torrent. Have you heard the name? It is in USA.
Sir, I didn't understand the meaning, sir.
It's not like meaning, but it is a word. It is a name of place over there. See, the rain was pouring down in torrents. In the sense, the rain was heavily falling there. Heavily pouring down in the sense heavy. Okay, if it is in regard of rain. Did you get Nithishri?
Yes, sir.
But there was not much wind. This is wind was slow there. It was not blowing like anything. Use of more, less, and fewer. Like comparative determiners, these are more, less, and fewer. Okay, we use more and less before singular and countable nouns by adding than after it, or for an additional or lesser quantity of something. Like I do more work than Suresh. It is a comparison totally. Please give me some more salad. It is a quantity that I need there. Satish does less work than me. It is a comparison. Okay. I want less salad than Mahesh. It is also a comparison there. We use fewer before plural and plural countable nouns to refer to a group of things smaller than another. For example, fewer students succeeded in passing than last year. Last year's students were more than this year's. We had fewer computers, computers a year ago. We had fewer, means we had less computers last year. Okay. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Use of each and every. Each is for 2 or more than 2 items, and still from among all you have to refer one. For example, if I say each student is present, is there are many students, but now I am pointing out only one student among them all. Only one student means every student I'm counting one, so I would say each student. And every for more than 2 items. This is for 2 or both of these are followed by singular countable nouns and singular verbs. Like each of the 2 boys has won a prize. Sorry. every student in the school is present today. Okay, means they are actually referring to the cluster or a group, but in singular form. In which form? Singular form. We use each when the number is in the group is limited or defined, but every is used when the number is indefinite and unknown. Like each student in my class was promoted. Every person in the world has a parent. Okay, every person in the world has a parent. So every, in the sense, there is a large group of something, and each which is limited group. Okay, which is a limited group from where we point out the, means everyone there or each one there. Most, several, all these you should learn from the PDF. Okay, I would be sharing with you all another and all. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we have taken till now. The rest of the things I would be explaining in the next class. The recording would be sharing there in the sorry, on the YouTube channel, as well as this PDF would be sharing there in the Wise app. You may go through the resource. Okay, thank you so much for joining the class. You may leave the class now. Have a nice time. Good night. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank